Hey guys, it's Issei. Today, I'm gonna take the IELTS 13 test 3. This is reading passage 1. Okay, I think the reading passage 1 is easier compared to passage 2 and passage 3. Anyways, let's get started. The coconut's palm title sounds interesting. Okay, coconut's palm. Okay, trunk. First of all, underline keywords. Timber for houses and making of wood. Leaves up to 6 meters long. All bushes. Flowers on top of trunk. Stem provides sap used as a drink or source of what? And true false not giving question. Just check on the first line. Okay. Coconut seeds need shade in order to germinate. Okay. So let's start reading. French always been exotic and unusual. Italian merchant Marco Polo saw coconuts South Asia in the late 13th century. It's 14th. Surgeon. Okay. Oh, chocolate bells with Romans. Okay. Keep going. We emphasize coconuts as brown cannonballs when open up. Right, provides sweet white flesh, but we only see part of the fruits. The plant. Not the plant, okay. Oh yeah, 30-meter tall. 30-meter tall. And this is an important source of timber. See? Building houses and including being used as a replacement for endangered hardwoods in the furniture construction industry. Okay, so timber for house and making of furniture. Furniture. Okay. Next. Okay. The top of the trunk. The trunk is up to 6 meters long. Leaves have hard veins. Used. Okay. Part of the leaf has been stripped away. Flowers crossed together. Leaves at the top of the trunk. The flower stems may be taped for their sap and produce a drink. And sap can also be deduced by boiling to produce a type of sugar used for cooking. Let's see. Provide sap used as a drink or a source of like a type of sugar. Source of sugar. And next, fruits, out layer, middle layer, inner layer. Middle layer used for what, and inner layer is a source of what and when, how, for what. Yeah, has 3 layers, like out, in, middle, and inner. Waterproof out layer. Okay, waterproof. Middle layer, fibrous, and hard inner layer. Okay. Coconut fiber. Okay, which has numerous uses and is particularly important in manufacturing loaves. Middle layer used for loaves, right? Yeah. Okay. And inner layer. The shell is prominent and surrounding. An important product obtained from the shell is charcoal, which is widely used in various industries as well as in home or as a cooking fuel. When broken in half, the shells are also used as bowls. So, in a layer, a source of charcoal. Charcoal, and when halved for like broken in halved, the shells are also used as bowls for bowls. Next, coconut water. Drink, a source of what for other plants. Coconut water. Liquid coconut water, which is enjoyed as a drink but also provides hormones which encourage other plants to grow more rapidly and produce higher yields. Yeah, a source of hormones for other plants. Hormones. Coconut flesh, oil, milk for cooking. The coconut's water. Okay, great. For fat-rich, edible flesh or meat. Dried coconuts fresh. Copula is made into coconut oil and coconut milk, which are widely used in cooking in different parts of the world, as well as in cosmetic. Oil and milk for cooking and cosmetic. Cosmetics. And glycerin, an ingredient in glycerin. Okay. Importance in a quite different sphere as introduced the world to his nitroglycerin based invention. Dynamite, an ingredient in dynamite. Okay. And what was the question? Coconut seed. Okay. Okay, the biology appear to make coconuts the great employers in the coastal colonies. Okay. Sold, but cannot remain viable in different studies suggest after about days at sea, they are no longer able to germinate. Literally cast onto desert island shores were little more than a sand to glow in and exposed to the full glare of the tropical sun. Oh, okay. Grow in and expose to the full glare of the sun. Coconut seeds are able to germinate and root. So, coconut seeds need shade in order to germinate. Coconut seeds doesn't need, so it's false. And coconuts were probably transported to Asia from America, 16th century. Okay, from America to Asia. From America to Asia. Okay, coconuts. There were no coconut palms in West Africa, Caribbean, or the east coast of America. Okay. Before the voyage of the European explorers Vasco da Gama and Columbus in the late 15th and early centuries, 16th centuries, trade, human migration patterns reveal Arab traders and European sailors are likely to have moved coconuts from South and Southeast Asia to Africa. So then across the Atlantic to the east coast of America. So finally it reached to America, so not from, that's why it's false. And coconuts found on the west coast of America were a different type from those found on the east coast. Okay, let's see, but the origin of coconuts discovered along the west coast of America. Okay, the sailor has been subject of centuries of discussion. Okay, two diametrically opposed origins have been proposed, that they came from Asia or that they were native to America, right? And both suggestions have problems. Okay, first, in Asia there is a large degree diversity and evidence of millennia of human use, but there are no relatives growing in the world. Okay, the other one is in America. There are close coconuts relatives, but no evidence that coconuts are indigenous. So it might be transported or delivered. Those problems have led to intriguing suggestion that coconuts origin on Coral Island in Pacific were dispersed from there. Okay, so the question says coconuts found on the west coast of America were a different type from those found on the east coast. Okay, it's not mentioned actually, so not given. All the coconuts in Asia are cultivated by varieties. Yeah, because here in Asia, right, there's evidence of millennia of human use. And coconuts are cultivated in different ways, America, and different ways. Besides, it's Pacific. I don't think it mentioned, so not given. All right, I'm done. See, you guys found it easy, right? As I say, reading passage 1 is easier compared to the rest of the passage. So anyways, let's check the answer. This is a test 3 reading passage 1. Okay. Number 1, furniture. 2, sugar. Loaves. Charcoal. Bowls. Hormones. Cosmetics and dynamite. Nine false, 10 false, not given, true and not given. Okay, perfect. All right, so thank you for watching this, guys. I'll do the next passage later. All right, see you guys next time. Bye.